2EPS connectors. 2EPS connectors included with all models for universal current generation motherboard compatibility. High temperature resilience. The new gen offers an increase in operating temperature to its predecessor to a maximum of 50 degrees Celsius. Fully modular. Modular flat black cables reduce clutter, increase airflow, and improve overall efficiency and thermal performance. Hydrodynamic fan. The 120mm HDB fan creates less friction, for a smoothly and low RPM operations, while keeping the noise level down. Power up. MWE Gold V2 was constructed based on the idea of enhancing the original MWE Gold. This new generation of models offers a number of meaningful upgrades that users will benefit from immediately. Some of the upgrades include an HDB fan, 2EPS connectors, an increased maximum operating temperature, and reduced noise output. Almost every aspect of the MWE Gold V2 that has been upgraded delivers noticeable improvements to the end-user experience. 80+ gold efficiency. High temperature resilience. Fully modular. Hydrodynamic fan. 160 by 150 by 86 mm, 6.3 by 5.9 by 3.4 in LXWXH. Top reviews from the United States. Great value for price. Super quiet nice cords also comes with the extra GPU pins for a 16-pin card.